Oh, so you just...
Good job, dude.
So you're just not locking the drawers?
Yeah, for now.
Okay.
Because then he'll be able to... The next step would be for him to twist the bones to get them out. You gotta get another one. No, you already pulled that one out. Try one that's closed. Good job. Waiting your turn. Waiting your turn. No. You already got that one. Try another one. Good job. Oh, you opened one. One more. Go find it. Nope, it's on the other side. There you go. Good job. Good boy, Doodle. Good boy. You got them all. Yay! Okay, it's brother's turn now. Right? Oh, just scratching himself. Just scratching himself. Oh, you're just a funny monkey. Oh, you're a funny monkey. Say we need refills. Refills. Okay. It's empty. No. Leave it, please. Thank you.